What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. In today's video, we're going to be going through all our money rope colorway variations. So for those of you out there, you guys can get to decide which colorway works for you. Make sure you hit the website down below, www.rushathletics.co.uk. Check out your local Amazon as well. This is the most in-demand speedo on the planet, and for good reason. So Nathan behind this camera is going to hit a cool edit in 3, 2, 1. Enjoy.
Hatırlarsın da artık